Hello everyone, welcome at EPICNPOC, your expert in design and engineering of the user experience. Thank you for joining us today for this presentation of Ball Automotive. Ball Automotive is our starter kit that not only helps you to create smart product faster, but also enables meaningful user experience. Today, we are going to see how it works, what's included in, and how you can become an experience maker. But first, why we did choose Ball as a name? Because simply, we enjoy the analogy of cooking. As all great meals, it starts with excellent ingredients, good recipes, and the right cookware. As ingredients, we provide you a set of functional components. Beside that, we have experience templates, which are like a cookbook of recipes. About the cookware, we have the Experience Manager web app that will help to create the desired experiences. As you know, all great meals comes with a secret sauce. We have Hour. Hour is the Experience Manager software which drives the logic of your products. Finally, we provide all these elements into a physical functional setup, which is like already prepared meal. Ball Automotive is a development tool for innovation and advanced engineering team of automaker, supplier, mobility and technology provider. It's the first domain that we are launching in the product portfolio, which will include retail, smart home, smart furniture and mobility. Let's now focus on the automotive setup, which is not only the physical representation of the cabin, but also 7 integrated functional components. Also contained in the automotive setup is the Experience Manager software, the secret sauce that drives the logic of your product. Connected to the Experience Manager, we have the web app, which will be your interface to connect and drive the whole demonstration. We provide you a tablet, but you can access to it from any kind of mobile devices. To create experiences, manage the component of your ball, or simply upload your experience to the Experience Manager, we provide you a web app called Experience Studio. Experience Studio doesn't require any coding skills. It's made for designers, product owners, or anyone who wants to become an experience maker. One of the goals of Ball Automotive is to jumpstart your project at Sprint 1. So we provide 6 typical vehicle modes using 7 already integrated components. Here is an experience that we created with the Experience Studio app. We upload it to the Experience Manager and you can directly use the web app to drive the demonstration in the book. Let's see now how to create a new version of the demonstration by adding one component, the infotainment system, in the demonstration scenario. As you can see, the infotainment is added and fully functional using the touchscreen. Before we show you how to enrich the ball with your own components and modes, let's see what are the other functionalities which are already embedded into the Ball Automotive. Now that you know how it's working and what is included into the Ball Automotive, we are going to show you how you can create your very own project using your components and creating your mods. In this example, let's see the different steps to create a new experience that includes driver drowsiness detection. In this version of Ball, you're going to have to partner with the EPICNPOC team to finalize the integration of your components. Once it's done, you can freely play with it and create your very own product. Thanks for watching our Ball Automotive demonstration. The EPICNPOC team is already here to support you for any kind of smart product project. Don't forget to follow us to get the updates about Ball and discover more possibilities to become experience maker today.